Hi, and welcome to this video demonstration where we are going to show how you can find broken links in your website, how you can find all URLs that have errored with 404 not found response. We are going to show how you can export that data, and let's get started. So to begin, we will launch TextZero 360. Type in your website address, hit the Start Scan button, so TextZero 360 offers various filters, and you can also choose which data columns you want to have visible. For this we're going to use the quick report, which will only show URLs that have responded with 404 not found. We can see this quick report has enabled various filters and also are filtering the results by response code and have adjusted the visible data columns. So if we select this URL, we can also go into extended data, linked by, and view further details. To export this list, simply select the control by clicking on it. You can also select the precise URLs you want to export, but it is sufficient to simply select the control, choose File. You can view export options, but the defaults are what most people use. And now simply select Export selected data to file. For this we are going to use comma-separated values file, but you can choose other formats as well. And simply click the Save button, and you're done. Thank you for watching.